battle stations, everyone. Let's show them what we're made of. Full speed ahead. All posts, prepare for battle. Incoming torpedo. Warning, enemy helicopter detected. Captain, we've been detected by enemy radar. Rocket launcher looking for target.
Helicopter ready. Place your orders.
Preparing turret for shot. Enemy helicopter detected. Gone, battle stations. Preparing for torpedo launch. Rocket load, missiles ready. Enemy ship shattered. Excellent job. Heading right, 30 degrees. MLRS standby. Warning, enemy torpedoes. Helicopter down. Rocket launcher standby. Preparing for torpedo launch. Warning, ammo detonation. Initiating missile strike. Preparing for torpedo launch. Hull breached. We're taking on water quickly. Enemy vessel has been destroyed. Turret locked and loaded. Waiting orders.
I'm hit! Falling down!
Torpedoes in the water. Right, full rudder. We're taking damage. Preparing for torpedo launch. Direct hit. Enemy helicopter is down. Gone. Battle station. Missile on radar. Anti-aircraft defense prepare. Vessel is under attack. Enemy missile detected. Hull breached. Enemy missile detected. Turret locked and loaded. Waiting orders. Preparing for torpedo launch. Missile on the radar. All agents closed up. Enemy missile intercepted. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Vessel is under attack. Reporting fire on enemy vessel. Mission accomplished. Heading back to base.